Alright, Dave, that case came in, man. You were going to try one of these '06 Ultimate. Let me just show the case real fast. And bam. And that's it. And that's it. Anyway, you were looking for one that ended in 3, 6, or 9. So it's only 4 boxes. So let's see what we got. There we go. We have 35, 38. Those don't match. 37 and 900. Alright, so I guess we're just going to go with the old 00. That's my favorite number anyway. Whenever they didn't have any, man, that ended in 3, 6, or 9. Let me verify that one more time. Nope, there are 5, 7, and 8. So, perfectly dodged you. Here we go, Dave D. 06 Ultimate Football. Dodge the redemption game. Oops. Let me put that back there. Oh, let's go this way. We have Antoine Randall, 525, sorry. 525 of 525 to Sean Foster, DeQuell Jackson to 275, and Ultimate Signatures Rudy Johnson on card 99. Okay. Steven Jackson, 525. Kabir Kabar, 525. Corey Bramlett, 525. And Leonard Pope, 275. Rookie autograph. Frank Gore, 525. Ernest Wilford, 525. Jersey, number to 75. Edgerrin James. And Vernon Davis, number to 18 of 40. Jersey. Rookie jersey. This should be the patch. Frank Gore, 525. Kellen Winslow, 525. Charles Woodson, numbered to 50. And looks like Chris Chambers, slight 2-color patch. That's numbered 40 of 50. Cool. Dave D, there you have it, man. 06 Ultimate Collection. I appreciate it, buddy. I'll get these out in a little bit. See y'all.